You can pause this problem and read this. I am writing here given data. So the first given data is number of bolts are given 1000 with its dimensions, the length as 10 centimeter and diameter as 2 centimeter. The direct material cost is 700 rupees. The labor cost is divided into two parts, cutting and setup as rupees 150 and milling, threading and drilling as 160 rupees. If we add this, we will get direct material cost, that is 310 rupees. 310 rupees. After this, even in the given data, they have said the cost of the tool, that is rupees 100. This is direct expenses. Other than this, they have given factory expenses 150% of total labor cost. The next given data, they have mentioned office on cost 30% of factory cost. And even they have mentioned the selling price of that nut and bolt 2 rupees per piece. So in this particular problem, we have to find out whether the company is in profit or it is in loss. So let first find out prime cost. So prime cost, it is the addition of direct material cost, direct labor cost and direct expenses. So we can take that from given data. The direct labor cost is 310 rupees and material cost is 700 rupees plus tool cost is 100 rupees. So if you add this together, the answer is 1110 rupees. The next thing we need to calculate the factory cost. So factory cost, it is the addition of prime cost plus factory overheads. So factory overheads, in the given data they have clearly said it is 150% of direct labor cost. So primary cost we already got and 150% of labor cost, direct labor cost. So calculate this, we will get the answer 1575 rupees. Next thing we need to calculate office cost. So office cost, it is the addition of factory cost plus office on cost. So it is given as 1575 factory cost we have got plus 30% of factory cost. So if we do the calculation, 1575 plus 30% of factory cost, that is also 1575. So we will get answer 2047.50 rupees. Then we need to find out total cost. So total cost is office cost plus selling overheads. So if you see in the problem, the selling overheads they have not given, so we have to consider that as a nil and we have to put value as a 0. So answer will be same, 2047.50 rupees. It is a total cost. So in the problem at the start only they have given the number of bolts are 1000. So we have to find out the total cost divided by number of product or number of nut and bolts. We will get the cost of the per piece, the cost per piece, that is 2.05 rupees, and they are selling at 2 rupees. They are selling it at 2 rupees. So we have to find out the difference, and the company is in loss because they are selling at less price than it actually costed them. That is 2.05 minus 2. So company is in loss, that is 0.05 rupees. So here we can conclude the problem. Thank you.